The future of manufacturing is being shaped by a stronger partnership across the borders. The India-EU trade agreement is a landmark step. It reduces barriers, improves market access. For companies like LMT Tools, it gives a clarity, confidence, and long-term opportunity to invest, innovate, and grow together. We are proud to expand our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility here in Pune, bringing European precision, advanced processes, and the global quality standard closer to the Indian market. This plan goes beyond production. It is about the building local capability, shortening supply chain, and supporting Indian growth. We invite you to join us, visit our new facility, and be a part of this important next chapter for LMT Tools.